Alright, good morning, kindergarten. We are going to review real quick the life cycle of the plant and the parts of the plant, and then we're going to talk about their needs and what they have. So remember, the life cycle starts out with a seed. We plant the seed sprouts, we watch the roots grow, then they grow into the stem and the leaf, and then the flower grows, and then the flower produces seeds, and the cycle starts again. We talked yesterday about parts of the plant. We have the flower and the petal, and that's what helps the animals pollinate. We have the seeds, and that helps the flowers reproduce and make more. We have the leaves, and that's how the plant gets its light, the sunlight and the air, and it makes the food. And then we have, let's look down here, we have our roots. The roots help anchor the flower or the tree or whatever the plant it may be into the ground so that it doesn't fall over, and it also helps soak up the water and nutrients, and the water soaks up through the roots and goes into the stem, which carries the water and from the roots to the stem and to the leaves and to the flower. Alright, so today we're going to talk about what plants need and what plants have. And we've seen this before. This is our our tree map. Usually we have the word plants, and then we have 2 or 3 things down here. So this is our tree map. And can you think of one thing? Just put on your thinking caps and think of one thing that a plant needs to live. You're right. It needs the sun. Light. So a plant needs sunlight. What's something else that it needs? It doesn't need soil or dirt. Soil. Alright, so we know it needs sunlight. We know it needs dirt or soil to live. What else does it need? You're right. Water. Water. It needs water to grow. So it needs sunlight, soil, water, one more thing, air. We all need air to live, don't we? We all have to have the air to breathe and to grow. So the sunlight and the soil and the water gives the plant the nutrients that it needs to grow big and beautiful. Along with the air, the air helps it grow as well. So what do plants have? Plants have roots. What else do they have? What are these called? You're right, they're leaves. So they have roots, they have leaves. They have a stem. I love how y'all are using your thinking caps and you're putting your brains to work this morning. Great job, guys. And what else? They have the roots, they have the leaves, they have the stem, and they have the flower or the petals. They have the petals. Alright, so we know that the plant needs air to live. We know that the plant needs sunlight to live. It needs soil and water to make it grow really big. And then we know that it has roots, it has leaves, it has stems and petals. Alright, so if we were in class, here is where we would build our sentences. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to build some sentences for you guys, and then after the lesson's over, I want you to get out your writing paper. I want you to draw me a plant, and I want you to label it like we did yesterday. Okay? And I want you to write me 3 sentences. Okay? We're going to write the first one. So we're going to say A. No, that's not a very good A, is it? Alright, so it's going to start with a capital A, remember, because the first sentence of the first letter of a sentence is always capital. So A, and we're going to finger space, plant, what do we want to use? Need or have? What's another word for have that tells us the same thing? Has, yes. So we can write has up here. So a plant, we're going to go with needs. A plant needs sunlight. I have to come down here because I don't have enough room over there, okay? So a plant needs sunlight to what? To live or to grow. All right, what goes at the end? A period. So a plant needs sunlight to grow. All right, so there's the first sentence. Now I need two more. And that's where you're going to come in. So you're going to use our tree map, and you're going to write your sentences. Remember, I want 3. So you're going to write your sentences, and then at the top you're going to draw a picture of a flower and label it. Label it the leaf, the stem, the root, the petal, the seeds, okay? The seeds, remember, are inside the plant. All right, boys and girls, when you get your sentences wrote in your picture, have mom and dad or someone take a picture and send to me. I would love to see your awesome work. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye, guys. Okay, let's check out our seeds that we planted and see if we can see any difference today. Yesterday we could just tell that the seed skin was getting a little loose. Let's look today. All right, let's look right here. I think I can see. Let's take it off the window. And if you'll look really close, let's see. Let me see. Oh, it's breaking off. But right there, look, right there, you can see a seed sprout. I see one, and then I see one right there on this one. And that's, oh, it looks like this one's got one coming out here and down here. This one's split open, so maybe we'll get to see. All right, don't forget to check your seeds and document what you see. And I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye, guys.